Okay, we have a Doosan Vertical Machining Center, model DNM 400, serial number DNM 4000025. This machine was new in 2008 and we're gonna run it for you. Machine has an 8,000 RPM Cat 40 spindle. Right now she's running 1,500 RPM. It goes up to 8,000 again. So again, this machine has a FANUC 0-eye MC control with manual guide eye. That's 4,000 RPM. 7,000. Okay, max RPM again is 8. 7,000 is good enough. You have 30 inches of X-axis travel, 17.1 of Y and 20.1 of Z. Right now he's running the Z down. You also have telescopic weight covers on X and Y and a cover for the Z. He's running the Y axis. And the X. You see on the table you have a tool touch setter, which is a RENISHAW. We're going to simulate a tool change. Machine has a 30 tool automatic tool change sidearm. Machine also has twin augers and a chip conveyor, and the spindle is equipped with coolant through spindle. So you have coolant through spindle, chip augers, chip conveyor, 30 ATC, FANUC 0-eye MC control, 8,000 RPM Cat 40. Hey, thank you for watching our video.